Alright everyone, welcome to the '04 Mustang build. This is Eric's car, the guy that was singing in the background of the other video, and I hope you enjoy. So today we're going to be putting on his spoiler, or wang, whatever you want to call that, and yeah, let's get started. Those are actually surprisingly more rusted than the original ones, or the ones that we got from the other car. It's got like rubber. Let's go to the other side. This thing makes quick work. Oh, where'd that go? Best investment of my life. And voila. This has water in it too. What's with these wings and having water in
I
them?
don't know.
Eric, you want to do the honors and put on your wing, dude?
Yep. Alright, Eric, will you do the honors?
Voila.
Very nice. Alright. Now we can put in the screws and the wing will be installed, finally. How do you feel about this?
It's very emotional.
Changing
Letting
out.
my old spoiler go.
Yep, that's a thing. Don't worry, dude. It'll go to good use on my Tornado. They won't even be able to tell it's not factory.
It actually look good in your car.
Probably would. You know, it sort of matches with the peeling paint theme I got going on.
Alright, you're probably gonna have to hold the wing while I do this. Let me check the camera real quick to make sure it's in shot.
Okay, that should be good.
Just hold the wing. I'm totally doing the wires. Alright. Like a weird rubber line. I think that's supposed to be if the water gets into your wing,
Hopefully work out.
Dang it, dude, it keeps getting caught on that. Your trunk. How hard is it to put 4 bolts on? Make make sure we got that stuff this side. Nice and tight. Really nice. Alright. Put your rubber thing on there. So they put those rubber things. Put the rubber things over here, but they didn't put it for that, though, which is sort of odd, isn't it? Put the last bolt on?
Sure.
There we go.
Yeah, who cares about that? It's going in the trash. AKA Justin's car.
Oh my god! I felt that hit home, dude. So now, you know, you just take a bit of Mother's. It's not even McGuire. Take a bit of Mother's and, you know, you spray down your big long wang, dude. Big black long wang, you know, and you just rub it. Rub that in. And all your troubles go away. You know, you just
Big black wing.
big black wing, dude. Make sure you always use a microfiber cloth, because then it won't scratch your paint either. Would you look at that? This wing will need some touch-up work also, but at least it won't need a you know, a new clear coat on it, which was sort of the problem with the older one. Gotta rub that in there, dude. And look how mint that looks.
So glossy.
You know what? Mint actually means what it means.